As we age, our skin loses elasticity and can start to sag, especially on our face and around our eyelids. One medical condition people deal with is festoons, which cause a puffy region of skin on the lower eyelids and cheekbones. Joining us with a procedure to fix the festoons problem is Dr. Adam Scheiner with Reset Cosmetic Surgery. Welcome back. How are you?
Thank you. Great to see you.
Good to see you again, too. Now, before we talk about festoons, there's some nice little hardware here on the table that we have. Congratulations, I understand, are in order. Tell me about this award you recently won.
Yeah, I was really honored. I gave a talk, and I was the only U.S. surgeon to win an award at this international conference for aesthetic medicine in Monaco. And the award I won was for Best Surgical Facial Rejuvenation at this conference, and that was really meaningful to me. When I was there, I actually gave some other talks about the way I use lasers to help under eye issues like festoons and malar bags, which many of my colleagues thought couldn't be fixed.
Wow. Okay. And so that's a perfect segue. Let's talk more about what exactly are festoons and malar bags, because we all can wake up and feel like we have bags under eyes, but this is something a little different.
Absolutely. Festoons are these swollen mounds that form in the lower eyelid and cheek region. They form below the lower eyelid bag. They're actually caused by sun exposure and muscle action underneath the skin. They can make someone appear tired even when they feel great inside, and they have been traditionally a very tough area to treat.
Interesting, and it's really nice to see some of those pictures along the way so we know what we're looking at here. What now is Reset Festoons? How does that work?
Yeah, Reset Festoons is an advanced surgical laser procedure that I developed. It's able to fix the sun damage, actually tighten the skin, and help the festoon. It's not a temporary fix, it's actually a permanent solution.
Okay, so are fillers, I think people are very familiar with fillers. Is that also used as part of the Reset Festoons?
It is not. You know, fillers can actually make things worse.
Oh.
Fillers add volume. Festoons are already swollen, so adding fillers can actually make things look worse if they're done underneath the eyes.
It's helpful to know about what sorts of procedures will actually guide us in the right direction of what it is that we want to have happen. Can both men and women get this sort of procedure?
Absolutely. More men are getting this done because they want to look as good as they feel. Okay? And especially with all the video conferencing that they're doing these days, with the Zoom and the FaceTime, this procedure helps both men and women feel more confident about themselves.
And we can definitely see that through some of the before and after pictures of the work that's done. How long does it take?
The procedure takes about 40 minutes or so. There's a recovery, but the initial procedure is about 40 minutes.
Okay, fantastic. So it sounds like it's nice and easy. Is there any sort of recovery that people should be prepared for? Yeah,
there's initial like 1 or 2 week recovery. We have ways to speed that up that we can talk about at some time, but yeah, we're really excited that we offer this for patients.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for being here with
Thank
us
you so
again
much.
today. And for more information on the Reset Festoons procedure, you can visit adamscheinermd.com or call the number there on your screen, 813-367-1915. We'll be right back.